Welcome to Manley's Belvidere Ford, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with alloy wheels, keyless entry, parking sensors, rear view camera, rear spoiler, electronic stability control, heated front seats, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, Sirius XM satellite radio, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1883, the Manley name brand has been proudly serving our community. As the world's second oldest Ford dealer, we are locally owned and community focused. We pride ourselves on outstanding customer service. We're a little different and a whole lot better. So come visit us here at Manley Belvidere Ford. You'll be glad you did. We're located at 1800 North State Street in Belvidere.